Assalamualaikum friends, today I'm going to do quick hands-on review of Honor Magic V6. Finally it is available in Saudi Arabia right now and you can buy this in Jareer bookstore. So here we have the design. Overall it looks amazing in my opinion, and the key difference compared to the previous model Honor Magic V5 is it has larger battery life and a larger inner display. So let me just quickly show you the design. Here it is, and it is very slim. So let me just grab the Honor Magic V5, and here's the side-by-side comparison. So both of these are really premium in terms of build quality, and I think the Honor Magic V5 is slightly thinner, but due to its smaller battery capacity, the battery size is the main difference that we got in Honor Magic V6. We are now at around 6660 milliamps of silicon carbon battery versus 5820 on the Honor Magic V5. So here, as you can see, and the display is also larger compared to the previous year model. So, and crease is it's very slightly noticeable if you look at it at an angle. And if you talk about specs, guys, we have Qualcomm Snapdragon Elite Gen 5 processor, and the display size is 7.95 inches, AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, and we got a 6.52 inches cover screen display. So yeah, this is the V5, and here, as you can see, the crease is slightly more noticeable compared to the V6. So yeah, camera, we have 50 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide camera, and 64 megapixel periscope lens. So here is the price for the Magic V5, 5,999 Saudi riyals, and here is the price for Honor Magic V6. So, and you can buy this for 7,499. By the way, it's a bundle deal, you get a free tablet with it, Honor X8A I believe. So yeah, if you like this video, guys, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Allah Hafiz.